If your Shark air purifier suddenly won't turn on, the problem is usually related to power issues, clogged filters, or a safety feature that has been triggered. Models like the Shark HE601 air purifier are designed with built-in protection systems that shut the unit down if airflow is blocked or if the purifier overheats. In many cases, the device simply needs a quick reset or a filter check to start working again. By inspecting the power connection, cleaning the filter area, and resetting the unit, you can often restore normal operation within minutes. Step 1. Make sure the purifier is plugged into a working outlet and check the power cord for damage. Step 2. Remove and inspect the HEPA filter to ensure it isn't clogged or installed incorrectly. Step 3. Unplug the purifier and wait a few minutes to reset the safety switch. Step 4. Press and hold the reset button for about 10 to 20 seconds if your model includes one. Step 5. For smart models, open the SharkClean app to run diagnostics or update firmware.